literally have no clue where to go. So I'm just gonna follow everybody.
I have no clue either.
I have to count it first.
It's like, I think this one's
Well, someone's car definitely smells good. I gotta follow it, right? I don't know where the fuck we're going. I'm getting nervous.
Holy shit. How fast was that?
I have no idea.
Holy shit.
Got a feeling. It's got a feeling. He's actually going pretty fucking fast.
Well, he's in a Subaru. The handling of this is retarded. Oh my god.
Honestly, bro, that was fucking nuts. That
Dude,
handling.
I thought you were gonna crash right there.
The Subarus, they have really good handling. Trying to challenge Jeff?
To what? To crashing on this road?
Oh man. You know, I normally don't like driving with other people, but I trust you because I know you got a wife and a kid, so I know you're not gonna do stupid shit.
Yeah.
Other than that, I rarely get in the car with someone in a fast car.
So, apparently, that was the drive.
That was a hella fast drive.
Whose fucking, like, mom's Subaru is that? What are you... What the fuck is this guy doing? Just,
Jeff, where are we?
I don't know, Salmon Falls?
No, we're on 49.
49?
We're fucking out in the middle of nowhere.
Yeah.
Alright man, well it was good running with you.
Yeah, for sure, bro. All right, so apparently the cops are coming, so everybody's leaving. So
That was a quick.
that thing sounds good. That thing sounds really good.
Exhaust pipes went short from the plant.
in. Let's. You guys want to keep going?
Got nothing planned. Nothing planned.
We got Kenny back here.
Oof. If it fits, it ships.
Yeah, he did.
And he's got the 2 motorcycles behind him. And then another 370. Honestly, I do think it would be cool to get some 370s. Alright, so apparently...
I think that's football, dude. No.
Oh, it is?
Yeah.
No, because he's at that other place, remember?
No, that's
It's black
that's a
rims.
Honda Accord Sport with black rims. What the hell is the point of this?
Okay, so apparently this run, this cruise, we turned on some random fucking road, created our own traffic jam, and now people are turning around. All right, that's what an MR2 sounds like.
That's what FRS sounds like. Nothing.
Nothing. All right, here. You wanna film some shit? I'm gonna flip a bitch too. Like,
I knew people were gonna be doing like 3-point turns.
I'm like not even waiting.
Yeah, no one's waiting.
Ooh, don't. The one thing that I can't hate on, and why this like always ends up being so fun for me, is it's literally car people wanting to drive their cars.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? And like that's just like why I bought this car, why anyone bought their car, you know, is to like drive the fuck out of it.
A lot of people don't like driving, dude.
Yeah.
I'll never understand that.